finding fixed income deals is challenging.
It is.
And it's an interesting market in and of itself.
And so many people think it's simple. That's what really actually kind of rubs my gears a little bit. And just, I'm like, it's not as simple as you think. Because it changes. What happens 6 months from now if rates are way different? Right. Now you're scratching your head and saying, well, should I still be here or not? Mm-hmm. And that's why I think financial advisors can be underrated in some terms, because you think it's easy today, but is it easy tomorrow? Right.
Well, and fixed income is always kind of tricky. I mean, we really had to work with our investors 3-4 years ago when rates were so low that there was just no opportunity. If you were in fixed income, you were in real trouble. Mm-hmm. And we actually saw losses in bond portfolios as rates went higher. Okay. Today, we've seen bonds are significantly cheaper than they've been for quite some time. That doesn't mean that you should go buy them. I'm just telling you where we're at in history, right? I'm not making recommendations. I'm just telling you where we're at. But looking at that backdrop, if rates were to come back down, in theory, bond prices would rise. Mm-hmm. Okay. But the high rates create all kinds of structural issues in our economy because it prevents the existing mortgage holder from wanting to sell because they don't want to refinance much higher. It makes it harder for new people to get mortgages. So real estate gets knocked around, and the price hasn't dropped yet, but commercial may. And now we have a problem with collateral in the banking system. And what happens to regional banks that are overexposed to commercial real estate if we have a collapse in commercial real estate values, right? I mean, there are a lot of structural problems that ripple through the system, and we don't know what it will be yet. What we know is that rent looks cheaper than buying right now on paper in a lot of places. And I don't know how long that lasts, but it's where we're at today.
David, what do you say to the person who's like, gosh, this is a lot. I'm stressed out about things. I don't know where to turn. I don't know what to do. I need a second opinion.
Okay. So, and this is the subtle plug for us, which that's cool. It's the end of the show. But I'm going to tell people whether or not you become an expert in this isn't the end all be all, right? But the trick is get help navigating it if you're uncomfortable with it or you lack the confidence or ability, right? We would be happy to help you. So give our office a call if you're trying to navigate the fixed income market, figure out what's appropriate for your investment, risk tolerance, and so forth. How do they reach us, Matt?
541-375-0898.
All right. You can also go to the website. All that information is there if you just want to kind of, you want to figure it out first before you talk to a real person.
We need assignments.
littlejohnfs.com. We're out of time for now, so thanks as always for listening in. We'll catch you on the flip side. Until then, I'm David Littlejohn.
And Matt Dixon.
And you've been listening to True Wealth.